welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me on a very special edition of Pacific Northwest Prospecting. This morning I woke up to 1,001 subscribers to this channel, so you guys know what that means. We are going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a Gold Cube banjo pan, a magnet from Culture Young. You can just put this at the end of your drill and you can use it to separate out your black sands. I'm also going to be giving away 2 things of concentrate. This one came from our trip down on the Columbia River. You might remember that. We did that with Ira, and we were at the mouth of the Columbia where it meets the ocean. And this little vial here has gold concentrates from when we went to Long Beach, also with Ira. But we ran those concentrates through a magnet separator by Coulter, and this is what we have left. So even though this sand I consider some of the hardest sand in the world to pan, it isn't going to be as difficult as this right here. I do recommend running this through a cleanup system, whether that be a Gold Cube, a small sluice like I use, or even this banjo pan. You just need to be really slow while you're doing it. The gold in here is very fine. So how do you win these prizes? Well, like and subscribe to this channel and this video, and then in 2 weeks time we're going to be picking one of the people who leave a comment down below, and they're going to win the prize. So thank you everyone for joining me. I've really enjoyed making this channel. When I started off, this was just so I could show a few people what I was doing out in the forest and how I was getting some of my gold. And it's actually turned into a real love and a project that I love seeing grow. So give this video a like, guys. Comment down below and let me know some of the things that you've enjoyed about this channel and some of the things that you'd like me to do in the future, because we are going to be reaching out and doing some bigger travels and getting some larger gold. So until next time, guys, thank you very much. And until then, bye.